In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a content slide in PowerPoint 2025, step by step. First, open your browser and search for PowerPoint. Head to the official Microsoft PowerPoint site or open PowerPoint if you already have it installed. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in with your account so your work can auto-save and your templates and images are available across devices. From the home page, click Create Blank Presentation to start fresh. You're now in the editing view, ready to build your presentation. Let's set the tone with a clean background. Right-click on the slide background to open the background options. In the Format Background pane, look for Solid Fill and click the small arrow next to it to expand the choices. Pick a color that matches your theme. Aim for enough contrast so your text stays readable. As soon as you select a color, your slide background updates instantly. Next, add a photo to bring your content to life. Go to the Insert tab and click Pictures. Choose this device, then browse your files to select an image and open it. Once it appears on the slide, resize it by dragging from the corners and position it where it supports your message without overwhelming the text. If you see design ideas or design suggestions on the right side, scroll through them to preview layouts tailored to your slide. When you find one you like, click it to apply the design automatically. This is a quick way to get a professional look without manual alignment. Now add your title. Click into the title placeholder, type your headline, then select the text. Open the font dropdown to pick a style that fits your brand or topic. Use the size dropdown to adjust the scale so it's clear from a distance. To fine-tune the look, open the font color menu and select a color that stands out against your background. When you're ready for more content, add another slide. Go to Insert and click New Slide. You can now build your second page using the same approach. Consistent colors, clean typography, and balanced visuals help create a cohesive deck. From the Insert tab, you can add more elements as needed: a text box for body copy, a table for data, more pictures, Cameo for camera feeds, video, audio, shapes, stock images, icons, smart art for processes, and charts for metrics. Just click the item you want to place it on the slide and adjust it to fit your layout. Finally, enhance flow with transitions. Click the Transitions tab and choose a transition that matches your presentation's tone. Subtle, consistent transitions keep things polished and professional. And that's it. Your content slide is ready and you're set to build the rest of your presentation with confidence.